Okay, so today's lesson is math lesson 7-10, and it's on page 256. And today we're going to be doing page 256 and 257, okay? So if we look at this, it's talking about exercise and burning 100 calories. And the table shows how long it takes to burn 100 calories doing a variety of activities. So if you notice in the column over here, it's talking about how long in hours it takes to burn 100 calories, okay? So bowling, you have to bowl for half an hour to burn 100 calories. Or chewing gum, you have to chew gum for 11/12 of an hour, okay, to burn 100 calories. So if we look down at the bottom, it says Jenna burned about 300 calories playing kickball. How many hours did she play? So if we look at the table, it says playing kickball, it takes 1/5 of an hour to burn 100 calories, okay? If we want to burn 300 calories, how many of these are we going to have to do? So to go from 100 to 300 would be times 3. So we would take that 1/5 times 3. 3 times 1/5, and that would be 3/5 to burn 300 calories, okay? And when you look at that 3/5 of an hour, do you think, we got to use what we know about benchmark fractions, and is that more than half an hour or less than half an hour? Okay, we know that 3/5 is more than half. If I have my 5, I know that 3 of my fingers is more than half. So I know this is more than half an hour. So in that next question, when it says, did Jenna play for more or less than 25 minutes? Well, half an hour is 30 minutes. So I know that she played for more than 30 minutes. So she played for more than half an hour, right? So she played for more. Number 2, it says, Katie went for a walk and burned 400 calories. So she did a walk and she burned 400 calories. And then she came home and burned 200 more calories washing dishes. She burned 200 more calories washing dishes. So what is the total number of hours Katie spent walking and washing dishes? Well, to get to 400 calories, I know she would have to burn 4 times whatever it says in our table, because each one of these is just worth 100 calories. So walking, she has to do 4 times it. So the walking would be 4 times 1/3. Okay? And then to do the dishes, I know she was going to have to do it twice as long as whatever this says, because she burned 200 calories. So her dishes is, let's see, washing dishes, 2/3. So she has 2 times 2/3, right? Because 2/3 is 100, and she had to do that 2 times to get to the 200. So if I get these two answers, 4 times 1/3 is 4/3, and 2 times 2/3 is also, 2 times 2 is 4/3. I know she did 4/3 of an hour here and 4/3 of an hour here. So I can add those together and I will have 8/3. Okay, and then knowing what you know about reducing fractions, you know you have more than one whole. 3/3 and 3/3 is 6/3. So you have 2 wholes and then 2/3 left, right? And then you could explain how you know that. I'm going to have you guys do 3 and 4 on your own, and then also number 5. Okay, if you have questions, talk to your teacher during math office hours. And make sure that if you have time, you jump in to do some of the IXL skill plans, because those will really help you practice getting these skills into automaticity. Okay, thanks.